Well, welcome back to Lucore Automotive Services. Today, we're working on a El Camino 1965 vintage. Pretty nice looking little guy. This guy we actually worked on last year, did a disc brake conversion with a Willwood brake system. I think we did some fuel system work on it too. Customer's been enjoying it. They brought it back to us for a couple other things. Ooh, see if we can get it in frame, Rich. I'm looking at the car instead of looking at my viewfinder. Not a bad looker. Nice cruiser. We will be talking with this customer about an engine replacement. Their engine is a little tired in this old girl. So we're gonna need to probably do an engine upgrade. Anybody out there got an engine for sale? Small block Chevy type goodness. So we are looking for an engine for this vehicle. We're probably gonna do a repower on it. I wonder if they disconnect the battery when they drop this off. Nope, battery's dead. Let's get a jump starter and get this thing in the shop. Looks like this one had a Krylon overhaul in the engine bay. HEI distributor. Got some juice on there. Let's see if we can get this thing to start. No satisfaction. Chevy El Camino. Oh, I got lucky. Let's not stall this thing getting it inside. Sounds pretty good, actually. For being a tired old engine, it sounds pretty good. It idles cold. Probably because it's so worn out, it probably run on fuel oil. Alright. It's a good sign. She's a leaker. Leaker and a squeaker. Brakes are looking good. Sway bar leaves a lot to be desired. Oh, hey, it's not even there. There's nothing to attach it to. That's awkward. That's not a good sign. Well, somebody did a bunch of work to this frame at some point in time. Completely welded her up. Brakes look good there. I think it must have been a different one that we had the fuel tank out of. Floors have been done. We're going to put a starter in here because they want a new starter on this girl. Understandably. And then we'll worry about the rest of it later. Oh, what all are we doing for Miss Brittany? Drain on the battery. Power steering bracket is rubbing. Install customer starter. Trans line and starter wires need addressed. Check battery cables for correct install. Yeah, they're right. Positive and negative. Sway bar bushings need replaced. Front suspension. I think it needs a sway bar. And maybe a frame repair where the frame mounts the sway bar. Or maybe we'll just put a whole frame under this car. I don't know. It's had quarters put on it. The trunk extensions are still in pretty good shape. That's questionable. Sadly, I've seen worse than this. Old cars aren't always pretty. This one's had some lipstick put on it. Let's get this starter changed out. Oh, come here, little fella. Oh, it's a boy! Alright, let's take a look at our... Ew. Gross. So we have Excite and Ignition Sense. We will change those up a little bit. I'm going to hit that with some Scotch-Brite. That should be nice and clean for what I need. Dropped it. Let's see if we can get this up in here working. Oh, I'm gonna have to clock it. Darn it. It hits block, I gotta clock it. Okay, let's try that again. Man, that is not easy. Work around that header. Put that dust shield back on. Let's try our new starter. Well, it's time to clean up. I'm at the end of what I can do for today. I have to get over to physical therapy for my knee. Thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe, leave us a comment below. I'm going to be doing some more work to this. I have some other things to attend to, and I'll be getting back to those on Monday, but at least the car starts now, and it can be moved in and out of the shop under its own power, and the starter will actually work. So, that's about it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.